Hey everybody, this is Matt from Upper Valley Honda here in White River Junction. I wanted to talk a little bit about the adaptive cruise control in the 2023 CR-V. As you can see, located on the right side of the steering wheel, there's three buttons that you'd be concerned with. The first button up here turns it on and off. Down here gives you the distance, and over here gives you the lane departure bars. The first button we talked about turns on the cruise. The second button turns on the distance, and the third button turns on the lane departure. After turning it on and setting the distance, you can set it for any speed that you want to go, up to 90 miles an hour. You set the speed, let's say you're setting it for 80. You come up on a car doing 70, it's going to slow down behind it to match the 70 miles an hour that the car in front of you is going. If you put on your blinker and pull out into the left lane or the hammer lane, it'll catch itself back up to the speed that you originally set for to go by that vehicle, and then you can go back into your lane. The lane departure that's set up while you're in cruise, if your car fades over the line a little bit, it's going to show you that that's what's happening, and then it's going to pull your car neatly back into the center lane. If you have any more questions about any of these features in this car, please click the link below. Thank you very much, and you have yourself a great day.